easy home remedies for ingrown toenail relief. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Let's begin. Are you tired of the discomfort caused by ingrown toenails? Today, we're going to guide you through simple home solutions to fix this pesky problem. All it takes are a few steps to relief. Firstly, soak your foot in warm, soapy water for about 15 to 20 minutes. This softens the skin around the ingrown toenail, making the next steps more comfortable and less painful. After soaking, gently dry your foot. We emphasize gently because rough handling can aggravate your condition. It's all about treating your foot with care. Next, take a small piece of cotton or dental floss and carefully place it under the ingrown edge of your toenail. This helps lift the nail slightly off your skin. Change the cotton or dental floss daily to maintain cleanliness and avoid infection. Remember, hygiene is key in the healing process of an ingrown toenail. Apply antibiotic cream around the affected area to prevent infection. Even a small ingrown toenail can turn troublesome if infected. Wear comfortable, well-fitting shoes or sandals to give your toes some extra space. Tight shoes can exacerbate the problem, causing more pain and discomfort. Consider using over-the-counter pain relievers if the discomfort is unbearable. Always follow the recommended dosage and consult a healthcare provider if necessary. Keep trimming your nails straight across to avoid future ingrown toenails. Avoid cutting them too short or rounding the corners, which can encourage nails to grow into the skin. In case your ingrown toenail doesn't improve or worsens, seek professional help. Sometimes a simple home remedy isn't enough, and that's okay. Remember, patience is crucial. Healing an ingrown toenail takes time, and rushing the process can lead to further complications. Be gentle and give your toe the time it needs to heal. With these simple steps, you can say goodbye to the discomfort of ingrown toenails. Take care of your feet, and they'll take care of you. Happy healing! If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. See you next time.